Okay, today I'm going to show you how to open a Makita Cordless Drill. I was working with it and it started making some funny sounds and then all of a sudden stopped working. So here we go, I'm going to open it up and we can have a look and see what's going on inside. Right, so let's just get this outer casing open. Right, there we go. And get the motor out. There we go, put that out there. Pull that out there. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to open this. Take the motor off the front housing part. Right, so we just take the motor part off of the front chuck part, and we're taking off this little plastic housing that goes on to the motor. And I can already feel inside something doesn't feel right. So what I've done is open the back section of the motor part, and we can actually just have a look here to see this part has come loose. You just take these spleens out on the side, and to show you what has actually happened to the brushes, it's actually burnt off the one side. So what we need to do is take this housing off and you can get a new motor, whichever country you're in, but obviously in South Africa we got it pretty simple. Took 2 days and I got a brand new motor. And we need to just solder these wires back onto that part of the motor and we'll test it now. Right, so the motor is already indicated on one side where you put the red wire in and the black wire goes there. Pretty simple, just put it back the way you found it, and you then put this in between casing in, and then stick it back on with the top side in between the gears. Right, so I've just put the motor back in the way it was. Just need to get these wires back in as they were. Wrap that around, stick that black wire back in there. The red one can just go in on top. Just stick this one down like that. The red one on top of it. Right, put the switch back in its place. Like that. Right, we just get the speed selector back in its place. Go. Cover goes back. And then we'll test it again once I put all these screws back. Right, so putting the last 2 screws back. We're going to test it with the battery in. and check if it works. There we go. So instead of wanting to go and replace your second-hand Makita with a brand new one, just change the motor. Very inexpensive and best way to keep it going, and you can even do replacement of the battery pack. And yeah, this Makita has been going for 9 years and still can go for another strong 9 years. Thanks for watching.